Hi, I'm Joseph Cirillo, and I'll be going through two business insight questions for the GoodFoods project. So the first question I'm going to go over is what is the count for each category, order it by average rating for each category, and only show categories with a count greater than 40. What this will show us is for categories with multiple counts, what is the ordering, how high rated are these categories, and how many are in the count of this average. So we'll select the category foreign key contains the category name. It's unique, so that will tell us what category it is. We will average the restaurant ratings, and we'll use an alias for this. And we'll also count the category foreign keys in order to see how many we have, and we'll use an alias as well. So we will interjoin the restaurants table and the category links table, as these will have the data that we need. And we'll do this on the restaurant ID to the restaurant foreign key. We'll group by the category foreign key so that we can get a proper count, and we will do this for category counts greater than 40. And then first we'll order by category rating, as we want them to be ranked from highest rating to lowest rating, and then we will, if they have the same rating, then we will order them by uh, the category count to see category count in descending, so the highest one's on top. So when we run this query, we can see the top one is street vendors. The average rating of all the street vendors restaurants is 4.57, and there's a count of 82. The next highest one is food trucks. This is 4.48 with a category count of 519. So what's useful about this is we can see that street vendors and food trucks, these kinds of restaurants are very popular, and we know that there's a substantial amount of them. Food trucks, there's 519, so this tells us that these categories up at the top are highly desired, so they might be good places to go, and they have a high rating for the restaurants. The next question I'll be going over is what is the ratio of number of reviews to number of pictures. This will include relevant restaurant information, and it will be ordered by restaurant rating and then ratio result. So we will select the restaurant name, price, and rating. These are the relevant restaurant information, and we will include review count, the picture count, and ratio these. So this requires three inner joins, as the information comes from three tables. The first inner join will be on the review table, and this will join with the picture table. We have these inner select queries so that we can properly get the count for the reviews and the pictures, and we will group these both on restaurant foreign key. The final one will be a grouping with the restaurant table, as the restaurants have the information for rating and price that we need. And these will also be grouped on restaurant foreign key to the restaurant ID. These will be ordered by restaurant rating descending, so that the highest rated restaurants are on top, and then if they have the same rating, then the next step is to have the reviews descending. And what this will tell us is if a company has a good ratio between reviews and pictures, does this correlate with the high rating? So running this query, we can see at the top here, this one has 5 reviews and 6 pictures, so it's almost a 1-to-1 ratio. And it has the highest rating of all of the restaurants here. Next highest is a 0.5, so half. And this is 4.5. So this data kind of tells us that if a restaurant has a lot of pictures and reviews, then it will generally, not only if it has a lot of pictures and reviews, does it have a higher rating, but it also, if the ratio between the two is large, then it will also coincide with the higher rating. So more reviewed and taken pictures of restaurants are more popular. Thank you.